Hi, this is Scott. I'm at my friend's house and I'm cutting their grass. See how their grass gets a little bit long here? I cut back their tree here, see it's just a small lawn, so I use an electric lawnmower. It's real easy to use, so you can just push the button and then it's on, but it's not too loud. So let's see how it is to mow a lawn, to cut the grass. When it gets really long, it will kill the mower. And notice, so with the machine is called a lawn mower. The grass is not, we can call it a yard, or we can say the lawn. So here I'm mowing the lawn. Okay, let me keep going. So I finished mowing the lawn. What do you think? It's not great, but it's better than what they had before. Now see all the way. Now I've got to use the weed whacker and trim the edges. Okay, talk to you later. I finished all the trimming, and now I need to clean off the sidewalk. Grass trim, let me know. Bye-bye.